This is my U.S. Air Force watch face with a Thunderbirds air show. It's on a smartwatch with the Wear OS operating system, formerly called the Android Wear operating system. Displayed right now is the dim mode, which just shows the hour hand and the minute hand. The hour hand is a B-2 bomber. Minute hand is an F-22 fighter. If I take it out of dim mode, you can see the second hand displays with an F-16 with a contrail. On the left hand side of the face, it shows in a blue ring the battery meter for the watch over there. On the right hand side is the battery meter for the cell phone that the watch is usually paired with. If I push the center, a pop-up shows the step meter, which is it's the beginning of the day, so I haven't walked yet, but it shows the number of steps in the day, and it's in a nice big font so I can see it even without my reading glasses. If I touch the center again, that will disappear. And then to launch the Thunderbirds air show, I touch the 12 o'clock position. Sorry, right there. And it launches the air show. There are scroll buttons to scroll left or right through the 6 demonstrations. I'll scroll right. First one is labeled diamond for the diamond formation. To launch the demo, you push the circle at the 6 o'clock position. Sorry, it timed out to the dim mode. And push it again for the return trip. Then I can scroll to the slant demonstration. And in reverse. The inverted. The spread. Flyby. And the roll. Before going back to the watch face, go to the blank demo screen and then touch the 12 o'clock position again, and you go back to the watch face.